The Mitsubishi is a pain because sometimes they just don't program in. So I was like, maybe I won't film it, but I'm gonna film it. We'll try it. Why not? You know.
Mitsubishi parts, may I help you?
Hey, bud, I'm trying to get a part number for a customer's vehicle. I'm a locksmith. Can I give you the VIN?
Yeah, the last 8.
Last 8 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6. It looks like a U 051056. I can't tell if that's a V or a U. Might be a V.
Yeah, it's a U.
It is? Okay.
What do you need the part number for the key? Or?
Yeah. It's a Mitsubishi Lancer, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Part number is Mary Nancy 103632.
Sorry, Mary Nancy 103632?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Oh no, someone's asking me for a key code. You're gonna have to wait a minute. Let's check this part number. No results found. Of course that. Let's see what comes up on. Okay. So it is coming up as Mitsubishi, blah, 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 blah. It's definitely coming up. That's an MIT 17. Let's call my supplier and see what they say, which key it is.
How can I help you?
Hi, I'm trying to get a part number for, or I have a part number. I'm trying to see if you can tell me what key it is, if you don't mind.
Okay, what's the part number?
Part number is, it's Mary Nancy 103632.
Mary Nancy 103.
Yep.
32.
Yep. Over here, go to Lancer.